Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. Today recipe is a different recipe. We're making a omelette, potato spinach cheese omelette. And omelette is gonna be on 3 layers. It's different layers, so it'll be very nice and it's very easy to make it. Anyone can make this, and it's gonna be very nice. Okay. Before I start, I will tell you my ingredient. Okay, starting at the potato, I make a sliced potato. You can make any shapes of potato, but very thin sliced potato, and I make some mixture. I got some already made red onion, white onion, and tomatoes. I'm using spinach, baby spinach. I got this here whole paper. It's a 3 kind of paper. It's a black paper, white paper, and red paper. And this is cumin seed powder, salt, butter, the coriander. I'm gonna use some green chili, and pepper I'm gonna use, and eggs, and gonna be some oil in there. Okay, shall we start now? Before what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crush this black pepper. So a fresh crushed one is very nice and tasty. Okay, friend, this is ready crushed. I'm gonna put this back in a bowl. When you fresh crush, it's so nice smell. Okay, and I'm gonna cut some green chili, very small things. Okay, friend, see, it's like a crush. I'm gonna put this in there. Okay. I'm gonna make pieces for that. It's ready. Same again, I'm gonna mix all in there. Okay, our mixture is ready. Okay, now I'm gonna put some oil, butter in the pan. Okay, I'm gonna put some butter in there. You don't need a lot of butter. And I'm gonna put some spicy mixed spices or olive oil, just a little bit. And when make sure you put all on side. Yeah, I got this 2 eggs in there. I'm gonna put some salt in there. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna put my first layer of egg. Alright, it's my first layer of egg. Now I'm gonna make a layer of potato on it. Put a low heat. Okay, this is I made a layer. Okay, so I'm gonna just close this for about 2-3 minutes. Okay, my potato is a bit settled. Now I'm gonna put some cumin powder on there. And some black pepper. Some salt. And put some coriander. Now I'm gonna make a layer of cheese. Okay friend, I made a layer of cheese. Let's see. Yeah. Now I'm going to put 2 more eggs. And cover with egg. Okay, this one layer is ready. I'm going to put a lid on top here for about 2-3 minutes. Okay friend, I just left it for a couple of minutes. So again, now I'm going to put some salt, some black pepper, this cumin powder, and now you know that I made mixture. Now I'm gonna put this mixture on there. It's a salad mixture. And this is second layer. So this will be on 3 layers. So I'm gonna make another layer for cheese. But this one is not gonna be a full layer. Okay, now I'm gonna put another layer for egg. Alright friend, and now I'm gonna leave it for another minute. Alright friend, I left this for 1 minute. Okay friend, now I'm gonna make another layer for potato. Okay, my layer is ready. This one is will be going 3rd layer. Now I'm gonna put some salt here and black pepper. Some cumin seed. Now I'm gonna put a layer of baby spinach. Okay friend, this is spinach layer is ready. Right now I'm gonna put some cheese on there. And then after cheese it will be layered off again eggs. Now I'm gonna put eggs on there. Is 3 eggs there. I'm gonna put one more on there. Just leave it for another minute. Okay, I'm gonna put some more egg on there. I'm gonna put some coriander on top. This is our third one, if you remember that, yeah? And just sprinkle for some tomatoes and all this. So now that is gonna go on a grill, low heat, about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay friend, now this is ready here. So I'm gonna put this on the oven under the grill for low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay friend, this omelette is ready. Alright friend, this is my omelette with cheese, potato and baby spinach, and you can serve with a salad. So what do you think about it? It's really nice and delicious. You should try it. And if you like it, subscribe my channel, and in comment section give me your comments and press the thumb button. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you an answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.